Can you run thermostat wires in the same conduit as high voltage wires without risking safety or code violations? Running thermostat wiring alongside high voltage lines creates electromagnetic interference and potential shock hazards, so treat this like a careful retrofit. Route low voltage thermostat conductors separately whenever possible. Use dedicated conduit or raceways for control wiring, and if you must share a path, confirm local code and manufacturer guidance first. Choose thermostat cable with foil or braided shielding, and terminate shield to ground at one end only to reduce induced noise. Maintain at least 1 inch of physical separation inside junction boxes and use insulated, rated bushings where cables enter to prevent abrasion. Avoid parallel runs longer than 12 inches to minimize induced voltage and humming on sensors and control circuits. When pulling through walls, run low voltage in its own sleeve or inner conduit, and identify both ends with durable labels to speed future troubleshooting. Use a 5 or 6 wire thermostat cable with a common conductor sized per the control device's spec, and verify that transformer secondary circuits are isolated from line voltage by at least the manufacturer's required insulation. Document any shared pathways in your project drawings, and get an inspector to sign off before energizing. One of the top 3 mistakes is thermostat wiring in the same conduit as line voltage, which causes electromagnetic interference and code violations. Fix it by separating low voltage control wiring into its own conduit or using a metal conduit as a grounded barrier, and follow national electrical code spacing rules and local amendments. Another common issue is not providing a common wire for smart thermostats, killing Wi-Fi connectivity and system performance, AD. Resolve this by running a proper 5-wire cable with a dedicated common conductor back to the furnace, or installing a power extender kit from the thermostat maker. The third frequent problem is poor termination and grounding, causing transformer hum and intermittent operation, C. Correct this with solderless, crimped, or properly torqued screw terminations, shield grounded only at one end, and using ferrules on stranded wires for reliable clamp connections. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted contractors and system integrators experienced in thermostat retrofits and conduit work, making it easier for homeowners to find qualified electricians and HVAC techs who follow code and best practices. The directory also helps contractors get leads by showcasing verified reviews and specialties so they connect with projects that match their skills.